If you're experiencing audio issues while dialing, the fix is usually simpler than you think. Most of the time, the culprit isn't Kixie. It's a conflict in your computer's hardware settings or Chrome permission block. To ensure crystal clear calls every time, you need to optimize your environment. Here's how to dial in your audio settings. Let's check it out. For this example, we're going to be using this USB Logi headset, and we do recommend using a wired headset if possible for the best results. So to start off, we're going to go to the Windows System Settings, and to do that, you're going to want to click the Windows icon at the bottom, and then Settings, and then System, and Sound. And here we're going to make sure that our headset is selected as the default device in your input and output. So I see here that my headset is selected. So we're good. And if you have any devices that you aren't going to be using, it is best practice to disable those. And you can do so by clicking this arrow here and clicking Don't Allow. So I'm going to be doing that for my built-in speakers and microphone since I have my headset. And you can always re-enable these devices under all sound devices here. Next, we're going to be going to the volume mixer. And in here, you can set your devices under Google Chrome, and you're telling Google Chrome which devices to listen for. And here I have my headset selected under output and input. Now we're going to go into Google Chrome settings. And you can do that by hitting the three dots in the top right corner, settings at the bottom, privacy and security, site settings, and microphone. Here you'll see a microphone device drop-down menu, and I'm going to make sure that my headset is selected with system default next to it. You click one more time to lock it in. And now that's set up, we're going to go to Kixie. In the audio settings, I'm going to make sure that I have my headset selected with the default next to it. And if I see green bars populate, I can see that the headset is selected. Same with the ringtone and the speaker. And you can use the test ringtone and the test speaker buttons to test your device. And once you have that set up, you should be all set and ready to dial. By locking in your Chrome permissions and matching your system hardware to your Kixie settings, you've eliminated the most common roadblocks to clear audio. Remember, a stable connection starts with the right configuration. If you're still seeing issues, our support team is ready to jump in, but these steps should have you back on the phones and sounding sharp. Thanks for watching Kixie in a Minute.